Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining me. This is Gamble with Jimmy. We're going to do a free tutorial today for everybody on Baccarat. I did get back from my vacation, so it's good to be home, and it's good to be able to make videos for you guys again, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get started with today's session. We're going to do our typical play the chop system. It's my personal favorite way to play. However, I do want to let you guys know that there's really 3 ways to 4 ways to play Baccarat. And basically, I play 3 ways. There's only 3 ways that I play. So I play my crazy 8 strategy, I play my Baccarat momentum strategy, and I play my chop system. Now, there is a couple tricks that I use in my training along with the money management, how to recognize when to switch, the money management, the crucial tip that I give you guys. What it does is it allows you to play Baccarat with a lot less stress, and it increases your win rate. Your win rate literally will go up 33% if you play the way that I teach you and understand what I'm trying to tell you and show you in the training. So we get into key situations where when we recognize a pattern of a board in the system that we're doing is a bad board for what we're playing, we switch to one of those other 2 strategies. So once you learn how to do that and master that, you're really going to make a lot of money. Now, in the last 30 days, I've made over 42,000 playing Baccarat. So you can make a lot of money. Now, I'm not saying your results are going to be the same, but 100%, I can definitely help you with your game. There's no ifs or buts about it. So if you take your Baccarat serious, get the training. It's very affordable. I'll show you how to get it. But let's go ahead and get started with today's session. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to play a chop system. We're only going to play the winner when one side wins 3 times, okay? So we're going to start off with a win, so we're going to go to the losing side. Okay, so that's a chop. So here's a chop right here. We bet this at 1, we bet this at 1. Now we're going to bet on red, okay, which is banker. So that's called a chop system. Okay, we're going to win again. Go back to the chop. Okay, we're going to lose there. So we're going to go and stay with the loser, but we do need to go up a little because we did lose. And we're going to get that win. And now we'll go with the loser again. Okay, we're going to tie, so we're just going to repeat the bet. Okay, we lose there. Okay, so we're going to go with this. We're going to stay with the loser. But what I want to do here is I'm going to go to 100 and quarter. And we're going to get that victory. Now we're going to go back to the chop. So let's take a quick look at the board. And as you can see, we're fortunate because we don't need to switch. There's no reason for us to switch. We're winning. So the board is showing us a chop system. So sometimes you just get lucky and you happen to be on the chop system while you're playing and it becomes a chop system. Now, when we start losing and we start seeing the board do the opposite of the way we're playing, the other ways of playing are different than chop play. So therefore, if we change the way that we're betting or how we're betting on, it's going to get better for us because we're changing the way of the pattern. And therefore, like almost every single time when you're running into problems with the chop board and you see that it's dropping too much, when you switch over, it's going to fix the problem 95% of the time. Now, you might get some good wins and be able to be successful, but you still have to always be able to switch when the board switches because it's constantly changing sometimes. Sometimes a board will do the same thing through the whole board. So, and if that works, I've had many sessions where you could not pick a better board for what we were doing. And it literally stayed that way through the whole session. And I'm in and out of the casino walking away with $2,000. Okay. So, all right. So let's keep going here. What we're going to play the chop. So we're going to go with player. Okay. We're going to lose. That 7 was bad for us. So we're going to stay with the loser. Let's just go to 50. Okay, we're going to lose again. So let's make sure it hasn't won 3 in a row, and it has. So once it goes 3 in a row, we no longer mess around with playing the chop. We have to acknowledge that this side's on a streak, and we have to protect ourselves where we want to be on the winning side if this goes on a long run. Okay, now it doesn't mean we're going to win the next bet. As a matter of fact, this is one of the things that you'll learn in training is that when one side, when you're playing only, this only relates to the chop system, okay? Remember, there's 3 ways we play. So if you're playing the chop system, what you'll learn in training, as this comes down and you get 3 in a row and you now go to the winner, if it goes to a chop here, that's known as 3 drop, 1 chop. So if that happens 2 times, we switch strategies. You would switch to either the crazy 8 or the momentum system. Okay, that's what you're taught. All right. All right, so we're going to go with the winner this time, and we do have to bet 150 here. Let's double check it is banker. So we do have to go 150 here. I think I went too much here. There we go. Let's go. Okay, so we are going to lose again. They pulled an 8 and we got a 7. Okay, so we did lose, and then there's that pattern that I was telling you that if that happens 2 times, you are to switch strategies. So it's happened 1 time, and if it happens again, we're not going to play this strategy. Now, unfortunately, in this tutorial, I cannot show you how to go to the next strategy. I cannot do that. That's what the training's for, okay? You guys can get the training. It's very inexpensive. Go to gamblewithjimmy.com. This is the one that is the most popular. This is called Baccarat Total Package. It's $150. You get 3 training videos, video 1, 2, and 3, that teaches you money management. It teaches you the trick that I'm trying to tell you, where you only have to win 1 time out of 8. And it also gives you these 2 strategies that you would switch to, which is Crazy 8 and the Baccarat Momentum, okay? So you guys can go ahead. You get all that for the 150, all right? All right, so let's go ahead and get back to the tutorial. And now let's see what happens. So we're going to stick to our chop system because it's only happened once. So we're not just going to abandon ship just because it happened 1 time. Okay, so we're going to go back to the chop, which is banker, and we do have to do a $300 bet on banker. Okay, and we are going to lose again. Okay, so now, is this something that we do the winner? No, because it's only been 2. So we're going to stick to banker, okay? Now, also, I want to tell you something. In the training, it doesn't have you just keep going up and going up after losses. It doesn't work like that. It's okay to do it 3 times. But after that, we do something in the training that allows you to get back the money in a safe way, in an intelligent grinding way, okay? But I can't show that to you in this one. So we got to hope that we win here, because this is the last time I can really go up. So we're going to go... we're going to go with player here, or I'm sorry, banker here, and we're going to go 600. Okay, I think I'll do 1 more if this fails. That's it. Okay, well, we're fortunate that we don't have to worry about it because we did get that win. I was willing to do 1 more double, so I would have went to 1,200 or 1,300 or even 1,500, but that would have been it. So remember, I have 10,000 here that we're playing with. So it depends on your bankroll. All these bet sizing will be covered in the training, and that's your bet wagering is going to be based on your bankroll. You're also going to have stop losses. You can only lose a certain amount of money based on your buy-in. Okay, so let's go ahead now and take a look at what we're going to do here. We're going to go with the chop. Okay, now guys, it did not do the same thing. It did not go 3 and drop. I'm sorry, 3 and chop. It could have went 3 and chop. If it would have done that, we would have lost and we would have had to switch strategies. So because it didn't, we're staying with this chop system. So we're going to go on blue, which is player. And now here's what we're going to do. We're going to apply some pressure. I will share this trick with you for free in this tutorial. We are going to start now applying some pressure. So what do I mean by that? Well, we're up $200, right? 212. So what we're going to do is we're going to increase our starting bet size. We originally started with 25. That was our starting bet. And then when we would lose, we would go to 50. And then when we lose, we were going to 150. And then we were going to 300 and 600. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start our new bets with 100 because we're going to try to apply a little more pressure, get a little more aggressive so we can get this up to a $500 to $600 level. Okay, here we go. All right, so we're going to go with the chop, which is player here. We're going to go player right here. Here we go. $100 on player. Okay, we're going to get that win. Okay, so now we're up 10,312. Okay, and now we won, and we're going to go with a chop, which is banker, and now we're going to reduce it to a quarter because we kind of punched him in the face a little bit, and we're going to protect our money, and that's exactly why we went down to a quarter because we just lost. We didn't give back our profit. We're still up $75 from just within two bets, okay? So now we're going to stick with the loser. This is only won twice. We're going to stick with banker. We're going to go to 50. See if we can get back the quarter that we just lost and go up another quarter to make us back up to 100. And it ain't going to happen. Okay. So 3 in a row. Okay. Now, if it does it again and it goes to this banker, guess what? 3 drop, 1 chop. 3 drop, 1 chop. Let's see. We're going to go with the winner now that it's won 3 in a row, and we're going to do $150 on that winner. Here we go. Okay, we're going to lose. Okay, so because we lost, we would switch strategies right now. We would switch strategies right now. Okay, now I can't tell you or show you what you would switch to. I just can't because that's what my training is all about. I can't just give you guys every single thing because then no one's going to order the training. It's that simple, okay? So people order the training. That's what my business is. I teach Baccarat and I teach craps. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to stay with the same system. Now here's another thing. Guess what? If you learned in the training what to do, you would have never lost all those times. You would have never lost all those times because you're trained not to bet every hand. You're only betting where you only have to win 1 out of 8. That's it. You only have to win 1 out of 8. Okay, so we're going to go back to this now, and I'm going to just stay with the system because I can't show you what I would do. Okay, so we're going to just make like we never had 3 drop or 3 drop, 1 chop, 3 chop. Okay, so we're going to stick with the chop system. It still could win. Doesn't mean it's going to lose. Okay, we're going to go player. We're up 87, so I don't need to go crazy. I'm in profit. I don't need to go $600 here. I'm going to go 100. Okay, we're going to lose. We're going to stick with the loser. We're going to go 200. There we go. There we go, guys. We're up $187. So we didn't even switch strategies, but our money management is what's winning. The money management is what's winning, okay? All right, so now let's go ahead and do banker, and let's keep it at the $100 level right now. Okay, we're going to lose, so we're going to go 200 on banker. We're going to definitely lose there. And now we have one side that's won 3 in a row. And if it switches again, you're going to see why I told you that we would have switched systems, okay? All right? So even though I'm not showing you what to do, I'm showing you my concern on a chop system. You have to, this is very valuable for you, because what you have to understand is that when it's only one thing that you're looking for when you're playing this system. And that is, if you see three drop, one chop, three drop, one chop, two times, you're switching to the Baccarat Momentum or the Baccarat Crazy 8, period. That's what you're doing. Okay? If it happens again, that would be your fault for staying on this strategy. You understand? So we're going to take a chance. It doesn't mean it's not going to be player, but we're going to take a chance and we're going to go with the winner here, okay, because that's what we're supposed to do. And we're going to go 300. Okay, here we go. And we're going to lose again. Okay? So you see what I was trying to warn you about. So I'm telling you the truth. The chop system loses when you have this pattern. 3 drop, 1 chop. 3 drop, 1 chop. 3 drop, 1 chop. You have to switch after the second one. That's why you guys need the training, okay? You just need it. The training for the chop system, it goes and shows you the other strategies. You get the training, you get the money management, you get the bet sizing, and you get all the strategies. You have to learn all 3 ways to play, and you have to know when to switch to the other strategies. It's that simple. Once you become an expert at those 3 systems, you always are switching between each 3, and that's what's going to allow you to win, on top of the secret to only have to win 1 out of 8. You can be wrong 7 times and you're still going to win. Okay? All right, guys. So I'm going to leave it at that. Okay? Yes, I could just go here and start betting real big and get this profits up. I'm sure we can win, 1 out of the next 4. But it's not about whether I win in the tutorial or I lose in the tutorial, guys. It's about the important things that I'm trying to show you so you can better your game, so you can avoid what you just seen. You understand? I told you exactly what was going to happen. If this happens, we're going to lose. And that's exactly what happened. I told you exactly after 2 times you are to switch. There's 1, there's 2. Did we switch? No. And it happened again because it's showing you the pattern. You're playing the wrong strategy for this pattern. You with me? Okay, guys? So, that's all I'm going to do. There's no point in me just going big with bet sizing here to get the money back. It's irrelevant. It doesn't matter. We would not have lost with the training. All right? Okay, guys, I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much for everything that you guys do and supporting the channel. I cannot believe the loyalty and the support that I get from you guys all across the world. Thank you guys so much. And I look forward to seeing you guys get the training, and I'll process your order. I'm back from my trip, so I'm ready to process orders, okay? Thank you guys, and you have a wonderful weekend ahead, and get that training and start making some money. You guys take care.